Today I'm back at Discount Tire to do something for the Mustang GT that is long overdue. I'm having wheel spacers installed. Here you can see how much room there is between the tire sidewall and the side of the car. I waited on this because I thought I was going to buy new wheels for the Mustang, but after buying wheels for the STI and GTI, I decided to keep the stock wheels. They are easy to clean and still look good, so I might as well keep them. I will be using 25mm wheel spacers from CJPony Parts. Here is some of the video I took during the installation. As you can see, the wheel fitment looks much better now. The tire sidewall is almost flush with the body of the car. I'm very happy with the end result. That's all for now. If you like this video and want to see more like it, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.